Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Beginner's Guide to Autodesk AutoCAD. In the continuation of last session, we will learn some more editing tools in this session. In the last session, we learned about move, copy, rotate and scale along with the trim command, which to me is the most important one. Now we will learn some more editing tools. First, we will create a geometry and then we will perform the editing tools for better understanding. Let's turn out the ortho and complete this figure. You can see if the object snap is off, you cannot accurately place this line to the ending point. If it is zoomed out, it seems like a rectangle, but if we zoom in, you can see the missing part. By extend command, we can simply extend the line till the end and the point where it touches the other vertical line. We can later trim the excess area. So this extend command is very handy. Sometimes when we are dealing with the objects where the lines must reach or touch the other vertical or horizontal line. Here we have a straight line and in the middle let's create a reference line and then connect it to the top and then to the bottom. We can erase this middle line like this. By clicking on erase, the erase command is activated and each object you click is deleted. So here is the fillet option. In fillet, let's define a radius. I have given a value. Afterwards, we will select the two lines that were connected. And now a fillet has been formed at their corner. Now you can see the initial and final shape of the geometry has been changed. Next, let's create a square shape. Now, with the help of line, we will draw a parallel line which is horizontal and then vertical. Sometimes you see that if we have a house or a plot right next to the road, at the fine sharp edges or the corners, it is difficult for a car or any vehicle to see the other side. So, in that scenario, we have chamfered corners for those plots or houses so that the cars could easily move from one way to another. If you are dealing with a drawing or a layout with such site map, we have to give some chamfers. For that, we choose chamfer, we choose distance, and we give distance of one line and for the second line. Here, you see we have given two different distances. And by selecting the two lines, a chamfer has been formed. Now, if a car or vehicle is traveling from the vertical side, it can easily take a turn and move towards the horizontal side. As you can see, we can change the distance from both lines. First, we did with the even values, like 10. And in the second attempt, we changed the values. So, you can practice them yourselves as well. Now, the next one is also very important command, which is called as mirror command. You can simply create an object, select it, or first you can press on mirror and then select one or all like this. Then you have to specify a point or axis across which you need to mirror it. Then it will ask that do you want to delete the original or not. So if you press no, the original and the mirror both are kept. Now you can see first we had a triangular shape, and now with the help of this mirror command we have converted into very different type of geometry. By choosing yes, we deleted the initial geometry and kept the mirror geometry. Then we have another here. We have this shape. Now we can stretch it. By simply clicking, we activate this command. We select this portion, press enter or spacebar, and then now we can stretch it. Since ortho is off, we can stretch it with any position. But now the ortho is on, so we can stretch it at 90 degrees or its multiples. So these were very few and basic editing tools which are mostly used when we are dealing with different type of drawings. In the exercises, you will see a lot of use of these editing tools, especially fillet, chamfer, and the mirror tool. So, see you in next session. Till then, take care.